Ever wanted to swap out an image in your Canva design without starting over? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to replace an image in Canva step by step so you can refresh your visuals in seconds. First, navigate to the Canva editor where your design is open. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is where Canva keeps all your creative tools and media options. Next, click on the Uploads tab. This section is your personal media library. It stores every image and file you've uploaded to Canva so far. It might take a moment to load if you have a lot of files, so just give it a second. Now it's time to bring in the new image you want to use. At the top of the Uploads panel, click the Upload Files select button. A file window will pop up. Here, browse through your folders and select the image you want to add. Then click Open to start the upload. You'll see a progress bar showing your upload in real time. Once it's done, your new image will appear right there in your Uploads library, ready to use. Now for the replacement part, look for the image in your design that you'd like to replace. Then, with your new image in view, simply click and drag the new image over the old one on your canvas. When you hover over it, you'll notice Canva highlights the area, then just release your mouse, and instantly the new photo replaces the old one perfectly. Canva's smart layout system automatically fits the image into the same frame or placeholder, keeping your design layout consistent and clean. If you need to make adjustments, click on the new image and use the sizing handles to resize or reposition it until it looks just right. You can also double click to crop or refocus the image for a better fit. And finally, don't forget to save your design to keep all your changes secure. That's it. You've just learned how to replace an image in Canva quickly and effortlessly. This simple trick saves tons of time when updating projects, refreshing old templates, or maintaining brand consistency. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with what kind of design you're working on next. Thanks for watching and happy designing.